In this session, we will discuss Google's application portfolio and understand Google Web Services as a PaaS. In addition, we will discuss the application development framework offered by PaaS and some common PaaS environments such as Drupal, Excentex AppBase 3.0, and Wolf. Google's cloud computing services fall under two umbrellas, Google Applications and PaaS. Google Applications are an extensive set of popular applications that Google offers to the general public. These applications include Google Docs, Google Health, Picasa, Gmail, and Google Earth. This shows the list of products and services offerings by Google. You can access a jump table of Google's cloud-based user applications by following the More and Even More links on Google's homepage to the More Google Products page. The second category of Google's cloud offerings is its PaaS developer tools. In April 2008, Google introduced a development platform for hosted web applications using Google's infrastructure called the Google App Engine, or GAE. GAE applications must be written to comply with Google's infrastructure. This narrows the range of application types that can be run on GAE. This also makes it hard to port applications to GAE. Even with all these limitations, GAE provides developers a low-cost option to create an application that can run on a world-class cloud infrastructure, along with all the associated benefits that this type of deployment can offer. Now let's discuss Google's application portfolio. Nearly all products in this portfolio are cloud computing services. They rely on systems staged worldwide on Google's 1 million plus servers in nearly 30 data centers. Some search-related sites search through selected content, such as books, images, Scholar, and trends. Other sites, such as blog search, finance, and news, take the search results and format them into an aggregation page. This is one of these aggregation pages, Google Finance. Google's search technology is based on automated page indexing and information retrieval by web crawlers. They scan the content on pages up to a certain number of words and place them into an index. Google also caches copies of certain web pages and stores them as doc or PDF files. To determine the importance of a particular page, it uses a patented algorithm based on the number of quality links to that page from other sites, use of keywords, how long the site has been available, and traffic to the page. Now some additional information on Google. We will now understand Deep Web. Deep Web refers to the online content that is not indexed by search engines. It includes database-generated web pages or dynamic content, pages without links, private or limited access web pages and sites, information contained in sources available through executable code such as JavaScript, and documents and files that are not in a searchable form. Google has released special versions of its products aimed at the enterprise markets, such as Google Commerce Search. It is a specialized search service for online retailers. Google Site Search. It is a search engine customized for enterprises. Google Search Appliance. It can be deployed within an organization for local and internet searching. Google Mini. It is a smaller version of the Google Search Appliance. Some other Google services are AdWords. It is a targeted ad service based on matching advertisers and their keywords to users and their search profiles. Google Analytics. It is a statistical tool that measures the number and types of visitors to a website and how the website is used. And Google Translate. It performs machine translations as a cloud service between any two languages from 35 different languages. So far, we have discussed the applications offered by Google. Now, let's move on to understand Google Web Services as a PaaS. Google has an extensive program to support developers who want to leverage Google's cloud-based applications and services. Most Google Web Services are exposed by an API, which enables you to find a version of Google's search engine, Google Maps, YouTube videos, Google Earth, AdWords, AdSense, and elements of Google Apps. These are the Google API tools for developer. You can get to the listing of the Google APIs by clicking the More Products link on the code page. Having understood PaaS infrastructure with Google Web Services as an example, let's take forward our discussion to the application development framework offered by PaaS.